Is that 25? Let's do 25 together. One to go. And when Jehoshaphat and his people came to take away, found among them abundance, both riches with what? With the dead bodies and precious jewel, which they stripped off for them. Everyone be on your feet. Even if you are sleeping, stand with your sleeping eye. Be on your feet, everyone. Be on your feet. Be on your feet. I want one of these bombs to further. If the shout of the children of Israel can bring down the wall, let's see an evidence. Let one of these bombs. I won't count on God. You have to have me show you problem. Not this one. I mean the one that is close to you. I prophesy to you by the reason of your shout of amen. I declare your enemies are putting abuse now. I say they are putting confusion. They are putting confusion. They are putting confusion. Lift your hand and shout amen several times. But don't speak. Noise of victory. Noise of victory. There are several kinds of noise. There are different kinds of noise. But the noise I'm talking about tonight is a noise that can make the wall of Jericho to fall down. I'm talking about the kind of the noise that Lazarus can hear and right inside the grave for 3 days and he come out alive. That is the kind of noise I'm talking about. The kind of noise that your problem will hear and disappear. The kind of noise that sickness in your body will hear and say, no, this is not the kind of noise I should hear. Noise of victory. There is an abundance of rain. It may not be for everyone. That battle you have been going to, the Lord said I should come and tell you, you don't need to fight. Watch and see the salvation of the Lord. Oh, pastor, you don't understand the family I'm coming from. If only you understand what is happening in my family. Nobody is doing well. Nobody is progressing. My elder brother, nothing is working well. Pastor, you don't understand. My own brother is a pastor for over how many years now? He can preach very well. He can pray very well, but yet no proof of what he's doing. Pastor, you don't understand, I'm a graduate. My elder brother is a graduate. My elder sister is a graduate. But yet, what is that battle that the family is going through? I came to give a shout of victory. And as you hear the sound of my voice, wherever you are tonight, I declare victory shall rest in your family. I say victory shall rest in your home. Victory in your family. Victory in your business. Be on your feet and shout fire. We are praying and calling on God on heaven. Every one of us have our different prayer points. So someone outside there, like when I came in here, I have to go down the street. The land Judah, over 4 nations rise up against them. They were coming massively. The Ammon, the Moab, the Amalekite, they gathered together to fight one man, Jehoshaphat. A little city. And when Jehoshaphat heard the noise, heard that these people are coming after him, the man looked and said, where will my help come from? There are some battles that if you are, look at this, let me say this to you. There is someone here I came to announce to you. This spirit of remaining the same every year. Every year you have no change, no transformation. By the time you step out of that gate, you shall be transformed. I say you shall be transformed. I'm not getting it louder, amen. Names. The I am that I am. Bigger than the biggest. The one that says yes and no one can say no. Who can stop him? We see the heavens and use the earth as a footstool. Oji Watato. Jehovah When they began to call him name, he said, Buba Maliti Ruwa. Only Ruwa. In an open hand at body. That's a man that will run out. Come and do what only you can do. Glory, because one thing that your praise does and your worship does, it makes the smoke of the presence of God to become thick. You know, as I mentioned smoke, you know the time. The smoke become thick. That is not smoke. It became so strong. Come to hear the voice of my people. As they were praising him with all their hearts, the Lord set confusion in their midst. To themselves. So you are the one that killed my son, and now you are here. There was a mighty abusement, confusion. No one at the Bible says, surely they will gather. But because their gathering is not from him, it must surely be scattered. Child of God, I don't know where they have gathered. That's what that you are going through right now. The God that answered Jehoshaphat will answer you. Your amen is looking for my trouble. The nation of your name. Every knee must bow. The nation of your name, Jesus. Every knee must bow. Demons bow before your name. Barrenness bow before your name. At the mention of your name, every knee must bow.